This is how to make a spooky basket the right way. The only way to make a spooky basket if you do it any other way.
You guys have just found the most unique vlog channel on YouTube. I upload daily and you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. I love you all and all your support means literally the world to me. God be with you. Run the vlog. Let's go!
Run the vlog. What's going on, everybody? So yesterday my girlfriend got me a spooky basket and it means a lot to me. But fellas, chivalry isn't dead, okay? This is 2020. Chivalry is not dead. I promise you that. Today I will be teaching you how to make the dopest spooky basket of 2020 Halloween, spooky season Halloween. Boo! You know what I mean? This is the best spooky basket ever. I'm gonna give it to my girlfriend today on this vlog. A little wobbly view, but it's fine. So I went to Kroger, got some stuff. First off, what you need for a spooky basket. You need this. It's a little crate to put the gifts in there. Why did I get the kitty cat crate? Because my girlfriend loves kitty cat. She's got a cat named Foosh. Basically, the #1 tip is to know what your girlfriend likes. You know what I'm saying? Number 2, cinnamon pecan swirl candle. Then gift cards. Okay? And then Tootsie Pops. With some Tootsie Pops. Lollipops in there, and then the gift card. This is the Grand Slam. My girl loves apple cider. I don't, you know what I'm saying? But I got a spoiler. So last, but certainly not least, get some flowers. On this channel, I'm giving you relation advice, fitness advice, everything. You know, how to be a person, how to be a human, how to make a YouTube channel, you know, how to get girls, all that. Chivalry isn't dead. Look, guys, so we got some flowers. Would this be the thumbnail? So look, we got the apple cider, we got the gift cards, everything good in there. This is how to make a spooky basket the right way. The only way to make a spooky basket if you do it any other way. Do you care if I vlog a little bit? Come in here. Yeah, but come here. Come here! Yes, come here! Yeah, I got you a spooky basket. Oh, open it.
It's a little bushy! Pumpkin light.
You definitely wanted that. Joe Biden. Brady, your dad, did you see him?
Still not related.
How's your burrito?
Bro, I got a rice bowl.
Hey, but congrats on getting your own meal at Chipotle. Loser. You're a loser. And never be anything nobody. Just kidding, dude. Keep your head up. You'll get one eventually.
You suck.
Okay.
Terrible vlogs.
What? Ah! Get down here. Get away from me. Still floating around there. Why does he want me so bad? Gotcha. Dead. Murder. Guys, I made some french fries, grilled chicken. Gonna eat that, and then Hayden's probably pissed at me. Brady, what do you think about Hayden always late to the workouts? Does it get annoying ever, honestly? You can be honest. He won't ever see this.
I just think he has stomach issues, man. It's something to look into. He
pray for him.
Constantly, you know, we praying for him. Yeah, obviously.
I appreciate that, Brady.
I'm guessing he's got some, like, bleeding.
Some anal rectum bleeding?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
I have had anal bleeding before.
You really?
Oh, so it's true!
So that's going in the vlog.
That was years ago.
Huh?
You hate yourself? The ones who hate me the most.
Okay, Hayden, like, Joe Biden or Donald Trump, who are you voting for?
These nuts. These nuts. These nuts.
What?
These nuts.
That's fucking racist.
Oh.
Hey, Joe Biden or Donald Trump, who are you voting for?
Both.
He's Biden's son.
Kanye. Voting for them all, but especially Kanye. He gets an extra vote.
What about Bernie? What about Hillary Clinton?
No, is she not behind bars?
Okay, if you had a chance to kiss Hillary Clinton, would you? Single day for 32 days. Would you do that? Hayden!
Fuck off, bro.
64 views is not what we're looking for in a day. Especially when we're hitting the upper echelon of 150. Now, I personally don't care about the views, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep growing. I could come on here and be like, oh, I don't care about views, the numbers are irrelevant. Subconsciously, while that might be true subconsciously, I'm always gonna look at the numbers and look at the views. So, I made a promise we're gonna keep the daily uploads coming. I'm not super motivated right now. Pink Lean is in the works. I don't know, the moon landing could have been fake. That's just something I've been thinking about lately because it's like, you know, who's gonna verify that? You know what I mean? And I'm sure if you looked at the scientific stuff, I'm sure it's been verified or something, but by who? Who's verifying that? You know, a lot of things are running through my mind. I just gave my girlfriend the spooky basket. She liked it, you know what I mean? Be good with girls, you know what I mean? So that's the best part about this channel. If you ever need girl advice or anything like that, your boy gonna give it to you. And Brady and Hayden, they're just as good with girls. Like, trust me. So, like, we got a lot of... We're basically Dr. Phil 1, 2, and 3. So, like... I'm gonna bust! Hell yeah! I believe in you. If you're watching this video right now, I 100% believe in you. And, yeah, hit my DMs anytime because I'm gonna help you guys get to the top. Even though I'm at the bottom. And you probably shouldn't take advice from a kid that's at the bottom. But, I don't know, man. The moon landing was definitely fake, though. All of that for the moon landing fake. Start today. You got this. I love you guys. Thank you. And yeah, guys is in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with him. Stop playing with a kid. Everybody's been like, yo, why'd you retire it? I didn't. Stop it. I took a breather on the stop playing with a kid, but the merch drop coming. Back in rear delts today. It's gonna be a great workout.
TSA stopped us in Vegas. Too much ice, I can't believe that we made it. Old niggas on my dick, they invaded. Your Mac, cause your shit is not bumpin', just save it. Whoa, easy, don't keep it in base. When we stroll through your block, we leaving in fake. I'm an east side nigga, please don't mistake. Now your girl send a text, told her happy belated. Oh my god, rockstar, nigga, I live according. Need for speed, demon, I be roaring. I'm on the E-way, a thief in the night, bitch, good morning. We the type of niggas pull out the ice while they storming. Yeah, man, tap it. Oh yeah, he ain't know we make it happen. Oh yeah, you brought a knife, you need a mag tank. Pop up, bitch, good night. Sweet G's like melon. Just made a mistake. That's my shit, I can't even indicate. I'm 100 G's, hold a disgrace. Can you please say the fuck on my face?
60 views, what was it, 80 views now? Last vlog. YouTube, you didn't push my video out. I have a problem with that. What else is a small YouTuber supposed to be? You ask for engagement, I get engagement. You ask for watch time, we get watch time. You ask for consistency, we get consistency. YouTube, I'm calling you out. Daily uploads, we grinding every single day, no breaks, foot on the gas, bro. Analytics, like the views were down. I checked, it said subscription feed 0%. 0%? That means YouTube didn't push it out. So I need your guys, anyone that's a consistent viewer, send this video right now to 16 friends. Woo, baby, we going viral. 16 friends. Think about that. If 10 people send it to 16 friends, half of them watch it. That's 80 views. Quick math, I'm good like that. End the vlog. YouTube sucks. I don't care. I'm gonna bite the hand that feeds me. End that shit.
Liven up the resurrected, dead and buried. This for niggas who ain't satisfied with secondary. This for my sisters who ain't satisfied with secretary. I'm blowing up and bitch, I'm still me. But what's the cost to live your dreams? Do you feel me? Everything glittering ain't what you think it will be. Funny how money chains and whips make me